These are the elevators at the parking garage at the Selby Botanical Gardens in Sarasota, Florida. These are Otis Gen3s, pretty brand new installations. Let's go to 4. Actually, I don't remember what year these were installed, but certainly within like the last 5 years. Interesting how they have the chimes that you would find on like a Series 1 or a Series 2 maybe. It's got a bit of both. And also we have a glitchy glitchy lantern. Let's see if we can get it to do that again. Yeah, interesting. So, let's go down. We're gonna come back up and get a look at the view. So we're going down to 1. This is elevator number 1, but obviously you can't really tell that because the labeling is worn off. You can see it on the certificate though. So we get a down chime. The lantern says up. We're going to send the elevator up, and then we're going to ride elevator number 2. This one is the same chime, so let's go to 4. There's a quick look outside. You can see Sarasota Bay out there. It's pretty nice. Also, we got a red call button here, and the elevator left us, so I guess that's a reason to go and take a better look at the view. You're overlooking some of the gardens, and again, Sarasota Bay in the distance, and you got a pretty nice view of downtown Sarasota. And you can see a little pond right here for the Botanical Gardens. And we have the other elevator back, so I'll cut to when we get the one that we were just on. Also, to those of you who like seeing the different colors, parking level 4 is yellow. Parking level 3, we can see right here, is like a turquoise color. P3 right here. Let's go down, we'll go down to 2, so those of you who like seeing colors can see what all the floors are. It's this pale green color, and the other elevator happens to be there too. So, we're going to go down to 1. Here's your certificate. It didn't take my call, but we're going down. Down chime. And then, parking level 1 is this blue or green color, kind of like a teal. Anyway, that'll be it.